Hi guys, my name is Tina Jane. I am a Pure Nails ambassador, and today I'm going to be showing you my 5 favourite products from Pure Nails. So my first product is the Halo Elite Nail Forms. So these are great because I've just got one here to show you. These are for sculpting your nails. You can sculpt any shape, great quality, and also there's a seam just here that you can take away, which is a different shape to this one here. You've got all the detailing here where you need to cut your form to fit correctly. They're fantastic. That's what I use to sculpt all the nails. My second one is the Halo Prep and Scrub. So the Halo Prep and Scrub I pretty much use for almost everything. So this is what I spray over the client's hands. So when your clients come and you're doing a consultation and then you give them a quick spray, I also use it to put over the nail plate. So I've got a little pump that I use. So when you've done all your cuticle work and everything and you're ready to apply your products, that's what I use to cleanse, remove any grease, dirt, clean the nail plate really well with it. And then this, I also use it to spray like my files and just spray down any areas. I use that for, it's got a gorgeous smell, so it smells like orange and mango as well. It's gorgeous. So my third one is the Cuticle Tool. So the Cuticle Tool is got a slight bend here, so that fits perfectly over the natural nail. And then on this side, you can see it's got a slight curve, so that really helps dig out any non-living tissue that this one can't scrape away. This one's very satisfying. If you've got this tool, you'll know what I mean. It's brilliant. My fourth one is the non-white top coat. So the non-white top coat is fantastic for me. I use it on all of my gel nails. I also use it over my acrylics, Polybuild, Easy Build. You don't have to wipe any tacky residue after. It's fully dry and it stays glossy for ages as well. So all my clients that come back once they've had the gel treatments, they come back and the nails are just so shiny they don't even look like they're doing apart from the growth. So I couldn't live without this one. My fifth one is the rubber base coat. So the rubber base coat, I use this product. If you're doing gel nails and your client feels like they're not strong enough but she doesn't want to go on to a harder nail like Easy Build, Polybuild or acrylics, you could use this as the base because it's just an added strength underneath the gel. A lot of my clients use this and find it great. I try and use this as a conversion from acrylics to gel if my clients want to just grow their natural nails. You also use this with Polybuild, Easy Build. It's just fantastic. It's just slightly thicker than the normal base and just adds that extra hard layer. So that is a great one to use. That's rubber base coat. Okay, so that is my 5 products that I like from Pure Nails. Couldn't live without them. I hope you are all well. Take care guys. See you soon.